Okay, game. Okay, 2 points. Score 2-0. Nice pass. Okay, 2 points. Score 4-0. Okay, foul. Time remaining 6 minutes 15 seconds, 14 to shoot. Okay. Sayang. Remain po ha, running time po tayo. Okay, 3 points. Score 7-0. Seven seconds to shoot. Okay. Oh, oy, munti ka na. Okay, 2 points. 9-0. Martin, nice pass to Christopher, no good. Wow! Munti ka na yung follow-up na yun, pero may foul. Time remaining 4 minutes, 40 seconds, 14 to shoot. Sir CM. Tukuchi. 7 seconds. Rob. No good. Okay, 2 points. 11-0. Okay, 2 points by Rob. 11-2. Okay, 2 points. 11-4. Okay. Umami na yung kampi mo. 3 minutes, 25 seconds. Round to CM. Okay, CM. 2 points by Sir CM. Score 11-6. Lima lang po ang hinahabol na unti-unti. Christopher, nice jump shot. Score 11-8. No good. Rebound by Pascual. Pascual, no good. Rebound by Sir CM. CM to Coaching. Coaching, 2 points. Score 11-10. Sayang. Nice drop. Okay, no good. Nakakuha ni Pascual, 2 points. 13-10. Martin, pinasa kay Christopher, pinasa kay Coaching. Coaching, nice pass. Sir CM, 2 points. Score 13-12. Nice dribble, nice drop. Ang ganda-ganda nun, hindi sinayang ni Pascual. Score 15-12. 1 minute 28 seconds. No good. Nice, unselfish pass. 17-12. Naging 5 uli. Coaching to Martin. Martin, no good. Rebound by Rob. Rob, easy to. Score 17-14. Tatlo lang yan. Last 55 seconds. Okay, no good. Rebound by Rob. Rob nagmamadali, 45 seconds. Sayang. Last 38 seconds. Last 30 seconds. Buda, walang tawag. Last 24 seconds. 17, 16, last 18 seconds. Good, 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 good. Last 14 seconds. 12 seconds. Christopher, lamang na po sila. Last 7 seconds. 5 seconds. Nice. Ang ganda ng drop. 3 seconds. 3 seconds. 3 seconds. 1 second. Okay. Not counted. Score 19-18. Oh, inom muna kayo. Inom muna po yung iinom. Okay, change court. Bola nila, Coaching. Dito po. Bola po, dito. Bola nyo, Coaching. Score 18-19.
Dalawang ball possession, sinayang mo. Ganda-ganda ng paan sa'yo. Tapos yung isa, nahawak mo na wala ka pa. Hindi ba yung ka sa atin? Hindi na tayo nag-abot na pag-nakasayaan.
Okay, game. Sir CM, 10 seconds to shoot. To Christopher, no good. Okay, rebound by Pascual. Okay. Nagmamadali, number 7, no good. Rebound Grabe yung pagkaka-steal na yun. Suwabing-suwabe. Score 18-21. Okay, bad pass. Libre-libre, 2 points. Score 18-23, pag-anong-ganon lang. Sige po, wala po tayong 5 seconds sa pag-inbound. Rock. Pull up, no good. Okay. Sayang. Ooh. 18-25. Okay. Number 8, Martin, pinasa kay Christopher. Christopher. To Coaching, libre-libre. Coaching, easy to. Score 20-25. Okay, wait lang. Wait lang muna po. Labas muna. Inbound violation. Hindi siya nakalabas. Nandun lang siya. Okay, game.
First time pa lang.
Second lang. 20-25. Uy, sayang. Rebound by Christopher. Christopher to Martin. Martin. Nice, sayang. Naling lang ng bote. Pero pinawi sa steal. Steal to steal. Okay. 4 minutes, 50 seconds. Pascual, easy through. Mukhang maraming mapopose ngayon si Pascual. Score 20-27. Coaching, take the trigger. No good. Rebound by Coach Rob. No good. Rebound by Sir CM. 7 seconds to shoot. Hindi tumama sa ring. Uy, kala ko kampi. Ang ganda sana nun. Easy to. Score 20-29. Okay, 2 points. 22-29. Oh! 22-31. To Martin. Diretso. Sayang kung lumapit lang ng konti. 3 minutes, 30 seconds. 2 points. 22-33. No good by Rock. Three points. 22-36. Okay, 2 points by Coaching. Timeout. Team LA. 24-36 12. Time remaining. 3 minutes, 4 seconds. Mukhang hinapo.
Doblete. Cash or Gcash ka?
Okay, back to the ball game. O, 3 minutes, 4 seconds, 14 to shoot. Naka-advance po sila. No good. Okay, line ball. 2 minutes, 53 seconds. Martin to Rob, libre. Oy, yun lang, tumama.
Pinsan yan yun.
Okay, foul. Sino? Okay, no good. Rebound by Christopher. Christopher to Martin. Martin. No good. Wow! Wala ko may magdadang ka. 24-38.
Matagal masyado yun eh.
No good. Okay. Nakuha na number 33. Okay, 2 points. 24-40. Okay, wait lang ha, wait. Injury timeout. Injury timeout. Hindi po natin nakita yun. Wait lang. Okay, wait lang ha. Wait lang.
Pag-take off the game, double day. Eh, wala ka sa kanyang kundi. Hindi pa naman hindi.
Time remaining 2 minutes 2 seconds. Pre, kaya? Kung hindi kaya, pahinga muna. Hindi mo nilagyan ng ano armor eh. Okay, game na ha. 2 minutes 2 seconds. Rob, easy 2. 26-40. 26-42. 26-42. 1 minute 42 seconds.
Sige, ako pala. Sila naman.
Si Billy. 3 points by Gucci. 29-42. Magkakaroon kaya ng himala? 29-42, kaya-kaya pa yan. Sipag lang. 2 points by Gucci, 31-42. 1 minute 12 seconds. Okay. Two points.
Naalala ko na. Yan nga pala yung kumabol.
31-44. Uy! Last 48 seconds. Number 33. Uy! Sayang. Okay, 2 points. Last 35 seconds. Rob. No good. Last 30 seconds. Last 25 seconds. Bad pass. No good. Napasa mo pa yun? Okay, 9 more. 9.8 seconds. Okay, 2 points. 3.9 seconds. Okay, foul. 2 free throws. 2 free throws. 2.5. 2 free throws. 33-48.
Hindi man yung pa rin ah.
Okay, first shot, no good.
Kakampiyon mamaya si CM tsaka yun. Hindi, masyapo lang yan pero mamaya.
Okay, 34-48. 2.5 seconds. Okay, game ball.
Ah, wait lang.